We are going to be looking at the sediment-water interface underneath these aquaculture operations. So the first thing that Dr. Arya and I are going to be studying is just the general effects of the different biodeposits from oysters, mussels, finfish, all the different types of aquaculture operations that Maine can support. We're looking at the effects on the sediment and the interaction with the water.
I would like to be able to map the Gulf of Maine, coastal Maine, with respect to areas most suitable for aquaculture. If we can develop this physical/social map of suitable areas for aquaculture, I think we will have a very strong case. We not only understand the science, we not only understand from a physical point of view where these facilities should be, but at the same time, we have the buy-in from the community.
We will be using flux chambers, which are these PVC tubes, and we're going to go out into the field and we're going to use these PVC tubes to collect sediment. We're going to bring them back into the lab and we're going to do our best to mimic the natural environment, which means we're going to submerge them under seawater, and we're going to sample the water off the top of these flux chambers over the course of 6 to 8 hours, and we're going to look at the different nutrients that are produced and used up over the time. It will tell us, in a way, what's being digested, and we will be determining just how thorough that digestion can occur by loading here in the lab the sediment with different types of waste. So we'll start, with our generic sediment, and we'll see what are the natural nutrients that are given off by normal sediment microbes. And then we'll be able to tell what happens to the microbes by the nutrients that they produce when we add different waste products on top of that. So we won't really get to see it, but our data will show us. Depending on what is being farmed, we should be able to come up with a safe population size for the different farms, in addition to where, in the 3 different bioregions you'd be looking. We may be able to grow aquaculture and grow the working waterfront here in the state of Maine as safely as possible, because I think that is going to be a big part of the future here in Maine.